Many people do a lot of mistakes while manifesting some dreams or goals. Why? Because they just do unconsciously. The result between unconscious manifestation and conscious manifestation is looking like similar, but after result means after achieving the result manifestation, the person who is unconsciously manifested is going to be suffer in a very bad way. Namo Himalaya. I am Priya, your mindset transformation and manifestation coach. Today I am going to deep dive into a little bit deep manifestation reality things in this video. I am going to break down this video into two steps. What is the difference between conscious manifestation and unconscious manifestation, and how a person can face the negative side of the unconscious manifestation, and while a conscious manifestation can actually achieve a blissful life after achieving the manifestation. That I am going to deep dive into this video. So before that, I would like to know which part of the world you are tuning from, what kind of manifestation you are doing. If you are finding such challenge in your manifestation, or any kind of things you want to learn from the spirituality, law of attraction, manifestation, you can actually ask me through the comment box. So the first thing I would like to share about unconscious manifestation. What is unconscious manifestation? Unconscious manifestation is about a person can dream anything, right? Anything about the belief system, it is already stored in yours or in that person's subconscious. So that person can manifest a Mercedes car, the person can manifest a beautiful soulmate, the person can manifest anything in their life, right? So the problem is many people think that manifesting anything, manifesting any goal can bring them happiness or peacefulness or blissfulness. Why? A person always tries to find happiness from the pain, right? Or the pleasure from the pain. It is the whole world is based on this. That means a person goes to a shopping mall or somewhere, he tries to find something where he exactly can find the pleasure or the happiness or something, a blissfulness. Like example, a person wants to buy a toothpaste, so he will try to find, or she will try to find which toothpaste can bring his teeth little whitening, little it can protect the teeth. So it is always about the pleasure out of pain. So a person always tries to find something from outside of it, so that it is the person is, a human being is actually completely dependent on material world. That's what we are learning in the spirituality. uh, it is common, and without material things also no one can also survive, right? Everyone survives, and it is okay to be. So now the problem is many people think that when they are manifesting a goal, when they manifest a dream, they think that the dream will bring them a lot of happiness or a fulfillment in their life. But after, of course, law of attraction always works. Once they learn how to manifest their dreams also, they can actually manifest anything in their life. But after achieving that dream or goal or success, now the problem is the person is able to handle that thing or not. That means a person goes manifest a Mercedes van and a beautiful building where a backside ground, there will be a ground, lot of ducks on the water, a lot of things. But the thing is, once he actually or she actually achieved that dream, now the problem is the person can actually clean that environment? The person actually, is he really want to achieve that dream, or out of ego, by looking at some movie or serials, or look by thinking about someone's achievement, he just, or that person just manifest as it is. Now the problem is he able to handle that building? Is he able to handle that BMW? If the person is not able to drive the car, or the person is not able to keep a driver for the BMW, now even though he has manifested the BMW, now he's not able to manifest. So it becomes again a pain for that person. Manifesting something, of course it brings the pleasure, but afterwards, if the person is not conscious about what exactly is going to manifest, then it can become a negative side of it, which is actually 10 times more powerful than the positiveness while he has already achieved a manifestation. The second thing is, what is conscious manifestation? Conscious manifestation is all about the person always feels being with himself, or being inside self. That means a person feels like the fulfillment inside, even though the BMW is not there, even though the house is not there, whatever the person has already, the person still feels the happiness. The person still feels that it is the thing that he wanted always. And the person always feels like the peacefulness inside, even though he doesn't have the BMW, but he feels that the car already with himself right now, it feels like, he feels like this is the BMW. There is nothing wrong. There is always everything. That means the mindset is completeness inside, because we all are consciously connected in this universe. I'm not going to very much deep down this particular topic, because this has actually a very deep connection, but I would like to say conscious manifestation is all about feeling right now moment. When a person feels everything he wants to achieve, that he has already, he is feeling that everything he has already. That means the only thing is needed. Even though he doesn't have, he still feel the same feelings. Even though the manifestation he is going to achieve, after achievement also he has the same feeling. When emotions are completely balanced, that manifestation is called conscious manifestation. That means there is no pain, even though the person has nothing, and there is no pleasure, even though the person is achieving. It's always the emotionally balanced thing. That's called conscious manifestation. That means the person, when it exactly even the present moment, he feels like that house is already the dream house, where he exactly feels the sun rays, he feels the wind, he feels everything. He feels the backside yard, the ducks on the water, the lake. That means he is soon going to get or receive the manifestation in a very fastest way. There is no difference between this unconscious manifestation and conscious manifestation. The only difference is the pain and pleasure will be there in unconscious manifestation, and the person doesn't know exactly what he is trying to manifest, but this person knows what exactly he wants. That means the person always become the same person. There will be no difference. That's what is the conscious manifestation. So if you are still finding any questions related to conscious manifestation or unconscious manifestation, or you have any questions related to manifestation, you can ask me through our comment box, and I promised you that I will bring all the knowledge, all the things that I have learned so far in this manifestation and spirituality since my 5 years of journey. And if you find some informative from this video, make sure that you are hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and also the bell button for our upcoming notification. And thank you so much for watching my video.